Hi there and welcome to my game development channel Busy Roots. In this first video I like to introduce myself and the channel. My name is Richard, I'm 28 years old and that's it, bye. My name is Richard, I'm 28 years old and My name is Richard, I'm 28 years old and I'm currently working as an independent game developer. Originally I studied electrical engineering, but after my studies I started to dive into game development. So after my day job I started to teach myself how to program in C#, how to work with Unity, how to draw pixel art or how to record sound effects, for example. In my last job I even got the possibility to work as a software developer, and I was really happy that the company gave me this opportunity and I could expand my knowledge in this time quite a bit. Since my childhood I really enjoyed playing games. My first gaming experience were with the first generation Pokemon games and with this Game Boy Pocket. So I played Pokemon Silver at that time and Pokemon Yellow. My first gaming experience with the PC were with the first Anno game, it's quite popular here in Germany, and Need for Speed 2 SE. Later I fell in love with indie games like Minecraft, Limbo, Kingdom New Lands and Stardew Valley, and I was really impressed what one person or a small group of people can achieve. At the end of last year I moved to a new city, and since I previously did the game development besides my day job, I decided to put aside some savings for a couple of months to focus 100% on my game project Patient Sower, which you can see here in the background, and to build this YouTube channel. I created this channel because I want to share the development progress of my current project Patient Sower with you guys. I want to share the mistakes, the learnings on the way, and I hope it is entertaining and it motivates others to follow their own passion or to make progress on their own game project. And it would be really helpful for me to generate at some point some income during the development process. It would be my dream to make a living from game development and this YouTube channel. I really enjoy watching devlogs like the ones from Cinematrix, from devdog, from Danny or the ones from Jonas Tyroller, and it motivates me to make progress on my own project, and I hope I can do this as well. So thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like and consider subscribing if you want to come with me on this journey. If you want to watch the next video, you can do this right here. I have recorded an introduction to my game Patient Sower, and I show you the development progress that I made so far in this video. I plan to upload one video every 2 weeks for the beginning and aim to improve towards one video per week. Thanks again, stay safe and see you in the next video. Goodbye!